and teacher EJ. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk about past year question from NMOS 2013, which is about the work rate problem. Everyone, let's have a look. So from the question, we know that Apples, Ben, and Calvin completed a project together in 30 days. For the first 6 days, Apples and Ben completed 1/3 of the project together. For the next 2 days, Ben and Calvin completed 1/6 of the project together. For the last 5 days, Apples, Ben, and Calvin completed the rest of the project together. They were paid a total of $1,800, which was distributed among them according to the amount of work they did in this project. So the question is, how much money should be given to Ben? So everyone, how do we solve this question? So we are trying to find how much money should be given to Ben. Everyone, what does it depend on? From the question, we say that it must be distributed among them according to the amount of work, right? So we say that how much money given to them depends on the total amount of work. Now everyone, in this question right here, how do we find out the total amount of work? Everyone, so in this case, we just have to find out the amount of work they complete each day. Then we can find out the total amount of work. So now everyone, in this question right here, how do we want to find out the amount of work they complete each day? Now let's try to read the question again. Now, the sentence here say that for the first 6 days, Apples and Ben completed 1/3 of the project together. Now if I think about it, we say that both of them completed 1/3 of the project for 6 days. Now, how about 1 day? How much work will they do together? Everyone, so we say that now, let's say we just call them A, B, and C. So we say Abel and Ben, which is A and B. Both of them, they work for 1 day. We just have to use 1/3 divided by 6 days. So we can get that for 1 day, it will just be 1/3 times 1/6. Then the answer will be 1/18. So both of them, they do 1/18 of the work per day. 1 day. Now everyone, the next sentence. We say that for the next 2 days, Ben and Calvin, they completed 1/6 of the project together. Again, together. Now, how do we find out in 1 day what will be the work done? Everyone, again, for B and C, we just have to use 1/6 divided by 2 days. And the calculation will be 1/6 times 1/2. So it will be 1/12 per day. Now, the next sentence. We say that for the last 5 days, Apples, Ben, and Calvin completed the rest of the project together. Now, we also want to calculate how much work they do it for 1 day. But now the thing is, what is the total work, the remaining work? How do we find it? So for the remaining work, we just have to use 1 minus with the 2 previous work done, 1/3 and 1/6. So from here, we will get that the answer will be just 1/2. This is the remaining work, right? So we know that for this remaining work, 3 of them, they complete together, it will take 5 days. So to find out how many works they do it for 1 day, we just have to divide it by the 5 days. So we will get that there will be 1/10 per day. Okay, everyone. So now that we have calculated out these 3 very important information right here, now what we want is actually the work done by Ben. How do we find out how much work Ben do it for 1 day? How do we get it from here? Now think about it. How do we do that? Everyone can see that what we have from here. This is the work done by A and B per day. This is the work done by B and C per day. And the third thing we have A, B, C, 3 of them, they work together. This is the work done per day. So how do we find out just B? So everyone, from here, instead of directly find out the work done by B per day, you see, what if we try to minus out 1/10 and 1/12? You see that B and C. Here it is also B and C. When we subtract them out, it will be removed out. The B and C will be removed out from this total. So which means that the amount that is left will be just A or F1. So which means that in this case, 1 over 10 minus with 1 over 12. We get 6 over 60 minus with 5 over 60, and the answer 1 over 60 will be the work done by A per day. Oh, F1. Now that we have the work done by A per day, how do you want to find out the work done by B per day then? Everyone, since we know that A will be 1 over 60, and there is another information, A plus B is 1 over 18. Both of them work together is 1 over 18. So everyone, to find out the work done by B per day, you just have to minus them out. So we have 1 over 18 minus with 1 over 60. Now we just have to solve this calculation right here. So first thing first, change to be the same denominator. So in this example right here, in this calculation, we change them into 180. So we'll get that it is 7 over 180. So at what? We have now get how much work Ben do it for 1 day. The next thing, we just have to know, Ben do the work for how many days? Now let's look together. We say that first part, they do it for 6 days. Second part, they do it for 2 days. The third part, they do it for 5 days. And that's one thing you can see that, the first part involves Ben. The second part involves Ben. The third part also involves Ben. So we just have to add them together. 6 days, 2 days, 5 days. So Ben will work for a total of 13 days. So now we know how much work Ben do it for 1 day, and we know the total work done, the total day done by Ben. So we can now calculate the total work done from here. So we just have to use 7 over 180 times with 13 days. We'll get that it is total of 91 over 180. This is the work done by Ben. In this question, we want to find out the money that is given to Ben, which just now we have just mentioned. It will depend on the work done. So everyone, in this question, you just have to use 91 over 180 multiplied with the total payment, the 1,800. We'll get 910. So everyone, our final answer will be $910. This will be the money that should be given to Ben. Alright everyone, so let's summarize what we learned from this question. So we say that for this kind of question about the words and the wages problem, the first thing, we say that the pay will be according to the work done. And everyone, to find out the total wages here, you just have to use the work done multiplied by the total payment, and you will get the answer. Alright, so now you can try to do this practice question, and then you can leave your answer at the comment section below. So you may join our WhatsApp group for more information about our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.